Here's a quick video on fixing this broken air vent on a second-gen Honda Odyssey. The only way you're going to break these is if you put a clip-on air freshener right here, and then when you pull it out, it breaks one of the vanes. These vents should last the life of the vehicle. You're going to remove this assembly that has the clock and the hazard lights button, hazard light switch. There's 3 Phillips head screws. Go ahead and remove those 3 Phillips head screws, and that's going to remove that assembly. Then the vent itself will have 1 more Phillips head screw. That whole piece is a 2-piecer. All you're going to want is this, and you can go ahead and reuse this one. So it just pops up. Loosen up these 2 flaps, and then it should just pop right up. We're going to reuse this piece, and this is the broken piece with the broken vane. Cannot be fixed. So whenever you get a used piece, it might come off of its little bracket right there. No issue, just go ahead and snap them back in. These little pieces on the side, they rest on the side of this trim base, of the base of the air vent. Just like that. And this goes into this bar. So basically move it around until it sits in there and you're able to seat the sides. Just like that. Now you can move it around, put it back into its position, and that's pretty much it. Now it's fixed. See how easy that was? So if one of the vanes breaks off, you are gonna have to replace this piece. So in this case, this vane had one of the little legs break off, so it can't clip onto here. And that is it.